Okay, so welcome back. In this tutorial I'm going to teach you how to defeat BeEF framework using a Chrome extension called Vegan. So first open your Chrome browser and go to More Tools, Extensions, and down here click Get More Extensions. Now search for Vegan BeEF framework and click Add to Chrome. Once done with that, I will go to my Kali Linux machine and start the BeEF framework by typing cd/user/share beefxss and press enter, and then /beef. Here you can see the hook URL. This contains the infected JavaScript code, which will help you to take control over the browser. So copy the link address and go to XAMPP htdocs and paste the link into a script. This is a very basic HTML page which I have created for testing. And don't forget to save the page as index.html. Okay, so let's try to open my infected website by typing my local IP address. As you can see, the plugin has detected the malicious JavaScript code, and the site is now blocked. You can test the site by reloading the page. At this point, you can consider this method effective at blocking BeEF hooks into your Chrome browser. I also recommend closing your browser when you see this type of message and reboot the computer. So that's it for now. Thanks for watching and I will see you next time.